So here's the Plymouth front fender. Got the frame covered in the front because I want to put that in primer, epoxy primer. Got just about all the body work done. Gotta do the hood sides. Getting there. Not much room in the garage here. Need all new rockers because they were pretty rusted out. There's the top of there's the hood top. De-rusted those today. Phosphoric acid. That was solid rust on the top. It's pretty much killed. It's all black now. I'll soak them in vinegar and water to kill the rest of it and then prime them. Body work on the car itself, the body's done. Trunk. Doors. They were pretty wavy. No dents, no big dents. All new to me, all learning. Never did this work before. Frame and body are all pour 15. Inside, not much to look at. Redid the pedal assembly. New master cylinder. All the spare parts, not spare parts, but the inside dash, wiring nightmare, has to be redone. Not much room in my garage, but getting there. Motor, it's all covered up. Starter, all cleaned up and ready for paint. Distributor. Emblem turned out alright. More polishing. I'll probably have it re-chromed, but getting there. Drive shaft. Trying to find those solid rivets. Anybody can tell me where to buy those. Have the tool to put them in, but I just can't find the big ones like that. Maybe I'm looking in the wrong place. All new rockers on this side. Cut out all the rust. Made new. But sorry about the shaky video. the other tires, or the other doors. Bought these roller dollies. Best thing I could do. This thing just rolls pretty easy. Just grab it and roll the whole thing. Getting there, just a lot of work. Out for now.